Hey everybody, Sean Bukowski here. Hope you're all having a great week, staying warm, and getting excited for the national championship game on Monday featuring the Michigan Wolverines. Very exciting. But before that, we got some work to do, and it's the new year, which means new regulations sometimes, and we have one called the Corporate Transparency Act. And if you haven't heard about it, it's something new that the federal government has enacted, and it requires, I'm not going to say all entities, but most entities to have a federal reporting requirement now. There are some exempt entities, but the exempt entities are the ones who basically have to report this stuff already, like public entities or banks because they have financial requirements that they have to report. But all the other entities, all sort of private, smaller entities, are going to have to in general, make these new reports. And what they are beneficial ownership reports, and we go into detail on the blog, but effectively it's, if you have more than 25% ownership in something, then that person needs to be disclosed to the federal government. And what you have to disclose are the name, address, something identifiable, so it could be social security number, passport, something like that, and then the percentage of ownership they have in the company. In addition to that, you're also going to have to disclose what they call company applicants. So who's preparing and filing the information for the company, and then their sort of name, address, and that information for them. And finally, if you have any updates, any changes to this, you're required to update your reporting within 90 days of any changes to the ownership structure like that. This is a lot. This is big. For entities formed before January 1st, 2024, you have until January 1st, 2025 to file these reports. I just keep thinking about people in our industry, in commercial real estate, where you have single-purpose entities and a lot of them. And for the most part, every single one of those entities is going to have to file one of these reports. And it's going to be a big time commitment, a big expense, but there's no big way around it. You have to do it. And so if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We'll help in any way we can. Otherwise, good luck, and just look at it as this is something new going forward that we're just going to have to do. Hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, our blog, our podcast, and have a great weekend. Go Blue.